is this hemp?
Yeah.
Or is this hemp? And
Yeah.
I mean, if you just ask an enforcement officer by sight,
Yeah. How do you tell?
you can't tell.
Did it have a testing kit?
What is the intent of the manufacturer? If I'm making those rolling papers to consume high THC cannabis, that's paraphernalia. Because it's only for legal smoking herbs, anything that's legal, then this is not paraphernalia. Because that's my intent. I want this only to be used for federally lawful purposes.
Welcome, Robertson Stash.
So nature abhors a vacuum. If somebody likes this, I mean, I saw one interview with a man who said, you know, I'm a retired vet. I was on a bunch of pills and opiates. Didn't want to be on them anymore. The fact that this is accessible in Texas has allowed me to shift what I use. You know, this might not be perfect, but I don't have to take a ton of opiates anymore. I call that a win.
Yeah.
The idea that that would be taken away from him because he's like, I don't want to be a criminal. I'm not trying to buy these things on the street. Mm-hmm. It's a shame. And I think it'll criminalize a lot of behavior that has been normalized over the past few years. And Texas isn't the only state. I mean, Tennessee, from my understanding, is going through a similar thing.
I heard North Carolina too, isn't
There's a lot.
something?
It's primarily states that have not made a functioning medical, let alone definitely have not adopted an adult use or rec program.
Really?
Yeah. So southern states often fall into that category. But so the Farm Bill comes into effect. That also opens up now an opportunity for me because hemp is federally legal. Now I can get a federal trademark for that. I couldn't get it for high THC, but if you want me to get a trademark registration for smokable hemp cigarettes, I can do that.
Really? Has anyone done that?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If I wanted to get a trademark registration for a glass pipe that its purpose is only for smoking hemp, that should be federally allowed because that's not paraphernalia because hemp is legal.
So what did we get the trademark for? Or no, we didn't get a trademark. We got copyright.
We're working on some trademarks.
Yeah, well, we got the trademark too. We got the trademark for
Robertson Stash.
Robertson Stash and
also,
the cartoon. We're going to drop
I don't
those.
normally talk about clients' business if clients want to talk about their
Yeah,
business.
I'm being open and transparent here with my lawyer buddy. But okay, so copyright. We copyrighted the piece first, but we're also doing some trademarks right now.
We've done some trademark work.
But you were talking about someone can copyright a device for smoking marijuana.
You could trademark a brand for smoking accessories for federally legal hemp.
Okay.
Right. And so where we're at as a sticky wicket is this hemp?
Yeah.
Or is this hemp? And
Yeah.
I mean, if you just ask an enforcement officer by sight,
Yeah. How do you tell?
can't tell.
Did they have a testing kit in their car, the
And are they
patrol
willing-
cars?
Are they willing to do that testing on
Or maybe
site?
they light it up and they take a
But-
test
but-
and they'll be like,
Also, for the idea of paraphernalia, one of the elements to determine is what is the intent of the manufacturer. So if I said I am making, and Raw had to deal with this, if I'm making those rolling papers to consume high THC cannabis, that's paraphernalia. But if I'm making this to consume...
did you hear they just bought High Times too?
Not for tobacco use, for use only with legal smoking herbs.
Does it say on the package
Says
there?
on the package.
Oh, no way.
So because it's only for legal smoking herbs, anything that's legal, then this is not paraphernalia because that's my intent. I want this only to be used for federally lawful purposes. And so this is the classic, how did we have head shops? Don't say bong because that's paraphernalia.
Well, the intent, that really saved me. And moving forward with when all my work got seized, you know, just having that simple intention letter in the top of my boxes would have saved. You know what? I might still be in Canada if I had one originally. So really, that was a blessing in disguise to move here.
That was an odd moment in time.
All right. Thanks for tuning in to the Robertson Stash podcast. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you want to support us, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, we want to hear from you. So if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to reach out. Hit the website, hit the link. We'll see you next time.